kangaroo. Kangaroo niya. Nakisawsawan. Ayan.
You killed my friend.
No.
Kangaroos are my friend.
Ang tawag kanila kangaroo kebabs. Naghugas ko plato.
Wait, but how did they even kill kangaroos?
Oh,
Because there could be males. Males are defensive.
lumok lang karne. Dami. Walang yapon siya karning baka. Lumok kayo. Wala nga. Init manggod. Init ba? Suti akong kanon. Kung sasawan, bidhalang. That's it.